In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear plant enthusiasts. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden on YouTube. Viewers, today I am showing you a very unique plant of the planet Earth. This plant is called Bird of Paradise. Bird of Paradise belongs to genus Strelitzia, having 5 species of perennial nature. And this genus is named after Duchy of Mecklenburg Strelitz, the birthplace of Queen Charlotte of United Kingdom. Viewers, this plant is famous for its vivid colored orange and blue flowers globally. These flowers resemble those of brightly colored birds in flight. Bird of Paradise is native to South Africa and is found in tropical to subtropical regions. It is cultivated for both landscaping and commercial purposes due to its beautiful flowers. Viewers, the scientific name of Bird of Paradise is Strelitzia reginae and the common name is crane flower. If you have bought a Bird of Paradise and it doesn't flower for a few years, don't worry. After the plant ages, the flowers would appear. These flowers are appeared when the plant is crowded, so it is recommended not to divide the plants. Viewers, Bird of Paradise require deep watering with drained soil, not very wet, not very dry. It gives maximum growth and maximum bloom in full sun. However, in scorching and blazing climates, the partial shade is recommended. Dear viewers, Bird of Paradise is susceptible to only few pests like mealybugs, scales and spider mites, which can easily be blown away by the blast of water or blast of water from the hose pipe. Viewers, I'm sure you have learned and knew a lot about this famous plant. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Until some new informative video, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Keep smiling, keep happy. Allah Almighty bless you.